For delivery of judgment, make appeal 5 of 2021.
Appeal has no merit and is accordingly dismissed.
Obliged.
Make appeal 6 of 2021.
Appeal has no merit and is accordingly dismissed.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship. May it please Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, from hearing, I would like to mention item number 19 and 20. Lordship, my senior counsel is indisposed, so I pray that this matter be come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay. You are the counsel for the
I'm for the respondent claimant, Lordship.
okay.
I'm for the appellant,
Respondent number 1.
Mr. So, the learned counsel for the respondent claimant seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
My Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18, Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Taliao,
Yes.
counsel for the petitioner. Lordship, if the matter can come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
This is Mr. Fonseca 2017 matter.
Lordship, the counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Tali, is not keeping well, Lordship. Lordship, kindly consider it. Eighteen.
There are many counsel, Limawa Bang, Tong Pang.
And Mawapang, he's indisposed. Those two, the other two, they are juniors. So, Lordship may kindly.
Mr. Fonseca makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Taliao, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks. Stop. It is made clear that there shall be no further adjournment in the case.
Right, Lord.
For motion, item number 1.
Oh. Against NSA. Against NSA detention.
Yes, my lord. I may be allowed to make a brief submission, my lord.
What is your submission?
The instant habeas corpus petition is filed by the mother of the detainee. The alleged detainee was arrested on 31/10/2022, and NDC Dimapur have submitted a proposal for his detention, which was approved by the order dated 7/11/2022, and the confirmation order and the detention order was confirmed by the order dated 22/12/2022. My grievance here is that I was not given opportunity to file a representation, nor I was heard before the advisory board.
Before which order was passed?
Yes,
Before which order was passed?
before the approval order and the confirmation order.
Which is the approval order?
Approval order annexure E, my lord, on page 34.
Page?
On page 34, my lord.
What about your page 40?
Page 40 is confirmation order, my lord. My lord, my grievance is that I was not informed immediately of my rights to make a representation. And section 8 says, unless under exceptional circumstances, it goes only to 10 days. But under normal circumstances, it has to be 5 days. So there's nothing on record to prove that I was informed of my rights to make a representation.
So your grievance is that this order 7 November 2022
Yes, my lord.
was passed without affording you any opportunity,
Yes, my lord.
or whether actually the order dated at page 40. Which one?
I filed my representation after the approval order, my lord, because I was not informed of my rights to make a representation. And after I filed a representation on 21/11, the confirmation order was passed on 22 December 2022. I was not given a fair hearing before the advisory board also, my lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so? The learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. The present petition has been filed by the mother of the petitioner, by the mother of the detainee, impugning the following orders. Roman 1, okay? The order dated 31/10/2022, passed by the Commissioner of Police and District Magistrate, Dimapur, Nagaland, detaining the detainee under subsection 3, under subsection 2 of subsection 3 of NSA 1980, in exercise of the power under subsection 3 of section 3 of NSA Act 1980. Number 2, Roman 2. Order dated 7/11/2022, passed by the Chief Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, under section 3(2). No. In exercise by the Chief Secretary Nagaland, in exercise of the power under section 3(2) of the NSA Act, detaining the detainee for initial period of 3 months with effect from the date of detention till 31/2023. Number 3, okay? The confirmation order dated 22/12/2022, passed by the Special Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, by exercising the power under subsection 1 of section 12 of the National Security Act, confirming the detention order of the detainee for another period of 3 months with effect from 31/1/2023 till 34/2023. And for the order dated 25/4/2023, passed by the Special Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, in exercise of the power conferred by subsection 1 of section 12 of the NSA Act 1980, further detaining the detainee for a period of another 3 years with effect from 1/5/2023 till 31/7/2023. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that he was not allowed to make any representation before the order dated 22/12/2022 was issued. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents. Returnable within 4 weeks. Ms. Livika, the
Okay.
learned government advocate,
For 1, 2, and 3.
and 4.
4 is union. 4 is union, Your Lordship.
1, 2, and 3, okay. Ms. Livika, the learned government advocate, appears on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned state council within
Within 2 days, my lord.
within
2 days, my lord.
within a period of 3 days from today. Stop. Insofar as the respondent number 4 is concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by registered post with AD within a period of
Within a period of 5 days.
7 days from today. Listed after 4 weeks.
Item number 2.
Heard Mr. Christendon, learned counsel for the applicant. Stop. This application has been filed under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963, praying for condoning the delay of 597 days in filing the connected first appeal. Stop. Issue notice to the opposite party, returnable within 4 weeks. The learned counsel for the applicant shall take steps for service of notice upon the sole respondent by registered post with AD within a period of
3 days.
within a period of 3 days from today, listed up to 4 weeks.
Item number 3.
Lordship, I've come again praying for some more time, my lord. By the order dated 4/4/2023, my lord, this honorable court had directed the petitioner to approach the civil court, and 1 month's time was given. My lord, the relevant page is at page 21, my lord.
Page
21. My lord, the page NHO 1, page 11, 11 page 22, my lord.
22.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes. Then thereafter, my lord, during this time, the petitioner was having some family issues and also financial difficulties, so he could not make the necessary arrangement. Time was about to lapse, so he came before this honorable court by filing an IA, and this honorable court was pleased to give 30 more days time. That is at page number 23, my lord. Page 24 is the relevant page, my lord. Then what has happened is, my lord, thereafter, I was approached, my lord. I was engaged. My lord, the matter relates to right title and interest over a disputed land. Like your lordship had pointed out in the judgment, highly disputed, my lord. And he claims his right from his predecessor in interest, which dates back as 1947. And from the documents that I had perused, my lord, and the materials placed before me, given to me, were not adequate. So I have asked them
So
to.
how many days you are praying?
Lordship, I'm praying for 45 more days, my lord.
45.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I may kindly appreciate it's in my interest because the limitation period is already running to file a suit under the Limitation Act. So it will also not cause any prejudice, my lord, to the opposite sides.
Yes, Ms. Sokri.
Worship, it's okay. No objection for worship.
Third, Mr. Imti Longjam, the learned counsel for the applicant, and MS V. Sokri, learned additional AG for the state opposite parties. Stop. This court, by the judgment and order dated 4/4/2023, directed the petitioner, that is the applicant hearing, correct,
Yes, Lordship.
to approach the competent civil court within 30 days from the date of passing of the judgment, of the state judgment. The petitioner had thereafter approached this court seeking for extension of time to approach the learned civil court. And this court by the order dated 8/5/2023, passed in IAS Civil 46/2023. Allowed 30 days more time for the petitioner, for the applicant, for the present applicant to approach the civil court. By this application, the applicant has again approached this court. Seeking for further extension of 45 days to approach the competent civil court. On the ground that the petitioner was sick and also facing financial problems. Stop. MSV Sokri, the Learned Additional Advocate General, has no objection to the application seeking for extension of time. Stop. New para. The petitioner is accordingly granted 45 days more time to approach the competent civil court as directed by this court in the judgment and order dated 4/4/2023, which was passed in WPC 357/2021. It is made clear that there shall be no further extension of time for the petitioner to approach the competent civil court. The application accordingly stands disposed.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4 and 5.
Yes, what is this?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, please present IA is for seeking, praying for permission to withdraw the 50% of the awarded amount, which the appellant insurance company has deposited. Your
50% of the awarded amount is
15 something, Your Lordship.
15 lakhs 2,165.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's for the insurance.
Your Lordship, here, the insurance is, they are absent, Your Lordship. Port Harcourt, they are from Assam. Your Lordship, on 6/6/23, Your Lordship, the same council, Your Lordship, in MSC 2/20, Lordship, this honorable court was pleased to dismiss the appeal on the ground for non-prosecution, Lordship. So they are
Okay,
the
that is
same
another
council.
case.
Yeah, they
Let
are
us
the
at
same.
least issue notice to the, because actually withdrawal of money, let us not just do it blindly, okay?
Lordship,
Let us at least issue notice.
Lordship.
This, I heard Mr. Soiso, learned counsel for the applicant. This application has been filed, seeking for permission to withdraw 50% of the awarded amount of rupees 1,502,165, along with the statutory deposit of rupees 25,000. When was the amount deposited?
Lordship, it was deposited on 16/2/23, Lordship. 16 to 23.
Along with this, statutory deposit, 25,000?
No, Lordship, the statutory deposit was deposited while preferring the appeal, Your Lordship.
Which was deposit, which is the order by which the deposit?
Lordship, by order dated 23/6/22, Your Lordship.
Seeking for, Mr. KV, seeking for withdrawal of the, to permission to withdraw 50% awarded amount of rupees. Yes, which was deposited? Which was deposited on
On 16 to 23.
16 to 23, consequent to the order dated 23/6/2022 passed by this court. And the statutory deposit of rupees 5,000. Issue notice to the respondent. Sole respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Issue notice to the sole respondent / appellant. Stop. Returnable within 3 weeks. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable within 3 weeks. The learned counsel for the applicant shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent / appellant by registered post with AD within a period of
3 days, Your Lordship.
3 days from today. Listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 6.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Your Lordship, I am challenging the illegal appointment and regularization of the private respondents, my lord.
yes.
And also, my lord, that the service rendered through such illegal appointments
Yes.
should not be counted towards the seniority, my lord.
Okay.
Lordship, the petitioners, have been appointed in accordance with the service rules which came into force in the year 2006
Yes,
through a selection process conducted by the Nagaland Public Service Commission, my lord. The respondents, my lord, the private respondents, 4, 5, 8, and 9 were directly appointed, permanently appointed without any selection process, beholds the service rules.
okay.
And then respondent number 6 and 7 were appointed on casual and contract basis and regularized, my lord. Now their regularization, the appointment as well as regularization, my lord, is not only against the constitutional provisions and the service rules, my lord, but also in violation of the government's own executive instructions. That is
That means 6 and 7 also appointed beholds the rules.
beyond the rules.
Yes,
And
that-
lordship, even this respondent number 6 does not have the qualification for the post of LDA Cubs. She is just PU and regularized. Now, my lord, they are treating this tentative seniority list, which was published in the month of August 2022. After filing objection ignored, representation ignored. Now they are treating the matter seniority as settled, and that they want to act upon it, my lord. Therefore, I'm not only challenging the appointment and regularization, my lord, and also the tentative seniority. And one of them, my lord, though they were officiating promotion to UDA, respondent number 4 was given promotion to UDA by the directorate without approval of the government, was cancelled by the government, but still she has not been placed in the seniority list of the LDA. So therefore, my lord, I'm also seeking for an interim protection that the seniority matter between the petitioners and the private respondent should not be treated as final, my lord. The PNR we have also, while making inquiry to our objections, my lord, we have also come across a note of the PNR which says maintain status quo, treat the seniority as settled because they've been appointed much ahead. So therefore, my lord, absolutely illegal. Lordship, Lordship has also given a judgment whether so, my lord, the BTO case. Lordship, this is quite different. Here I'm challenging the initial appointment order itself.
Where is that appointment order? Appointment order?
Lordship, appointment order of the private respondents, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Page 39, my lord, is respondent number 4.
39.
9.
Just wait. 39,
39, my lord.
39.
And page 40.
Just wait, just wait.
39, my lord.
Page 39.
Annexure 7, respondent number 4.
This is R4.
R4.
Page, oh, just wait, page. 39. Look for that.
Lordship, page 40. Type copy 41, my lord.
Respondent number 5.
Respondent number 5, my lord.
Respondent number 5, which page?
Page 41, my lord, type copy.
Page 41, this is R5.
R5, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly come to page 47 now.
Then R8.
R8, my lord, page 47.
Let's go serially. R6,
R6 then, my lord, R6 is page 42, my lord.
page 42.
Appointment.
Yes, R6.
R6, 42, my lord. 43 is the type copy, my lord. And regularization of R6, my lord, page 44.
Then
Page
R7,
Page
R7,
45, my lord, appointment order,
R7,
page 45. Then
page
regularization. of-
45.
Yes, ma'am.
Page 45 is
Appointment, contract appointment,
R7.
R7.
Page 45, R7,
Then 46, regularization.
R8,
Lordship, 46, regularization of
Okay.
R7.
yes,
Then
R,
8,
R8,
page 47, direct appointment, permanent appointment.
page 47,
Yes.
page 47, R8.
8.
Okay,
Then R9,
R9,
48.
page 48, R9.
Yes, Lord.
Then where is the tentative seniority list?
Lordship, page 60, my lord.
16.
16, but 60. 60. Lordship, next page. Office memorandum dated 29/8/2022.
What is that?
Office memorandum dated 29/8/2022. Next page, my lord. Page 61.
Yes,
Lordship, the respondent number 4's name is missing, though she is serving as an LDA. Now, subsequently again, her name appears. Lordship, may kindly come to letter page 38, No. No. Yeah. Objection. Question may kindly come to page 74. 74 also, my lord.
Page
74, my lord. This page 74, my lord, the first paragraph, the last line. Appointment were made on then Lordship may kindly go to
74.
74. It's a letter dated 19th September 2022.
Ah,
Some clarifications was sought by the government, my lord.
Okay,
So the director sends this, and then it's clearly mentioned, the appointments were made, my lord, first paragraph, last line.
so your objection is page 75.
No, page 70,
75.
objections, my lord.
Yes.
Starting from page 68, my lord. 62. 62. Objections, my lord.
Representation
62, my lord, annexure 21. And also,
60, just wait, 60, 62. This is against the tentative seniority
yes,
list.
yes, lord. This is to HOD, my lord. Respondent number 3. And this is dated, my lord, 38/2022. And then 68, my lord, since this
62.
was not, this was ignored, another objection to the respondent number 2, my lord, the community commission and secretary.
Now your representations,
Lordship.
representation only. At this juncture, the court will not go into minor details.
62, my lord.
Yes, 62.
Yes.
I have taken note of that.
Yes, ma'am. That is the representation against the objection.
Okay.
Candidate.
And where is the order which says that the tentative seniority list will be treated as the final seniority list?
There's an office note, though that has not been translated into an order yet, my lord.
Yes.
But they are going ahead.
Where is that office note?
Lordship.
Or where have you stated in your paragraph?
I've stated on annex at page 77 also. ma'am.
Your paragraph?
Yes. Lordship, paragraph 25, my lord.
Para?
25. Then also, my lord, I've also said,
No.
paragraph 20 also, my lord.
Yes, where have you stated that this tentative seniority list will be treated as final seniority list?
Yes, my lord, may kindly come to even 20, my lord.
20?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord, 20.
Yes. Where is that UO? PNER UO?
Lordship, page 77. Annexures petition. Last page. Last annex.
All LDA come computer assistant.
Yes.
Heard Mr. I. Longjam, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. This petition has been filed. Challenging the appointment of the respondent number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 as LDA computer assistant, comma, on the ground that the appointment was made. The horse, the Nagaland Directorate Ministerial Service Rules, 2006. More particularly, which provision?
7.
More particularly, Rule 7,
Rules.
which provides for,
Direct recruitment.
direct
Recruitment
recruitment
of LDA.
of the
LDA computer
LDA
assistant.
computer assistant. The petitioner has also impugned the tentative seniority list. Dated 29/8/2022, issued by the Office of the Controller of Legal Metrology and Consumer Protection, on the ground that the respondents who were appointed the Horse the Service Rules 2006 has been placed above the petitioners who entered service as per the rules. Mr. Ailongzam submits that the tentative seniority list
Six,
this is page 16, huh?
yes, my lord.
Tentative seniority list issued by White Office Memorandum dated 29/8/2022. Is being treated as the final seniority list.
Stated as the seniority list settled, my lord.
Is stated as the settled seniority list. For promoting the employees to the next higher post. Correct?
Yes. Lordship, respondent number 4's name is not there, though she should have been there. There is also one of the objection. In this tentative seniority list, which we have objected also. She's an LDA. Her name does not appear in the seniority list.
Stop. It is stated by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the name of the respondent number 4 does not appear in the tentative seniority list. Stop. Mr. Imti Longdon, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners have submitted the representation dated 29.
38,
No.
my lord. 38,
Representation
dated 38, page
dated
67.
38.
Page 67, my lord.
Yes, submitted the representation. 67,
62, my lord. So 62 is the beginning.
submitted the representation dated 38/2022.
Yes.
Objecting to the tentative seniority list published by the department. However, no action has been forthcoming. Stop. Being agreed, the present writ petition has been filed. Mr. K. Angami, the learned senior government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of the state respondent number
1 to 3, Lordship.
1, 2,
3.
1, 2, and 3. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall, however, serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned state counsel
Today, my.
in the course of the day. Insofar as the respondent number
4 to 9, my.
4 to 9 is concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by registered post with AD within a period of
2 days, my.
2 days from today. In the interim, what is your tentative seniority list?
Lordship, page 60. 60, my. 60.
In the interim. Who should be directed?
2 and 3, my lord. Yeah, 2 and 3, yes, my.
It is ordered that what is the next higher post?
UDA, my lord.
It is ordered that no promotion shall be made to the post of UDA from the post of the LDA cum computer assistant. In the Office of the Controller of Legal Metrology and Consumer Protection, Nagaland, Kohima, by giving effect to the office memorandum dated 29/8/2022, which is the tentative seniority list published by the department till the publication of the final seniority.
Yes, my lord. Yeah, though the respondent number 4 is not there in the scene, it will also cover the respondent number 4.
This order shall also cover the case of the respondent number 4, listed after 4 weeks.
Lordship, one thing, Lordship, for proper adjudication of the case, Lordship, I think PNAR also should be made a party, Lordship.
Yes.
It's all right.
Mr.
I'll
Mr.
file an
Kiamgam,
application. I'll file an application
you'll file an application.
to include, or otherwise, lordship can just,
Mr. Kiamgami, the learned senior government advocate submits that for the proper adjudication of the case, the PNAR department will be a necessary party.
yes, ma'am.
The petitioner shall accordingly take steps
All right.
for implement of the PNR department with the registry in the cause title of the petition.
All right. As respondent number 10. my lord.
As respondent number
10.
10,
Obliged. Lordship,
listed after 4 weeks.
lordship, in paragraph page 25, paragraph number 25, my lord, there's a 2 words typing mistake, my lord.
Okay.
Can I just correct it, my lord?
The,
Here
okay.
is- Here
just-
itself, my lord?
Yes,
And,
yes. Okay, give him the,
yes,
okay.
much obliged, much
Yes.
obliged. Lord,
For motion, item number 23.
Yes, Mr. Moore.
May it please lordship. Lordship, this is a petition under section 482 of CRPC lordship.
Yes.
For quashing of the FIR and other consequential proceedings lordship.
Just wait. Which case? Which case? Which is the case?
Lordship, the FIR lordship.
Which is the FIR? Which is the,
FIR
has it
number,
been targeted?
no lordship. It has not been charged yet.
FIR
FIR was lodged on 18 February 2023. So far, no
So
charge.
for
yet.
investigation is going on.
Yes, lordship.
Have you read that Nihar Likha's case?
Lordship.
Yes. Court should not normally interfere when actually for quashing the FIR when the matter is under investigation by the police.
Lordship, I have some decision lordship.
No,
Where
but that is the
this-
latest 2022.
This case is slightly different from the case that.
No,
which-
the principle of law, the
Lordship.
ratio laid down regarding to do with FIR.
If I may be allowed.
Anyhow,
to-
we'll admit,
Yes, lordship.
we'll admit that's, which is that FIR?
Lordship will find the FIR page 14, the last page.
Page 14,
Yes.
1-4.
1 for Lord, the last page of my petition.
One-
This is the type copy of the FIR. Lord.
Okay, okay. And what is the case registered?
What if the charges are 143?
No, what is the, which The Mokokchung Police,
Yes,
PS2
Lord.
has registered what case? Case number,
Case number 26 of 2023, Lordship.
where have you stated that
I have stated in the course title, Lordship.
in the cause title?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, case number. Case number
What will find a page one, the first page of my.
is GDE,
This is the affair number, Lordship, dated 18/2/2023,
Mokokchung PS case number
26 of 2023, Lord.
Okay, okay.
under section 447, 143, and 506 of IPC. These three sections are bailable offenses, Lordship. 143 pertains to a member of an unlawful assembly, Lordship.
Yes.
447 is about criminal trespass, Lordship.
Yes.
And 506, criminal intimidation, Lordship. The highest,
So
Lordship,
which is non-bailable and which is
all
bailable?
the three are bailable offenses.
Then why come here?
Lordship, this is for quashing of the criminal proceeding, Lordship. Not for bail, Lordship.
Okay.
So 143, the punishment is 6 months, Lordship. 447 is for
Heard
3 months.
Mr. Mojamir, the learned counsel for the petitioner. This application has been filed under section 482 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. This FIR is dated
18/2/2023, Lordship.
praying for quashing the FIR dated 18/2/2022.
2023, Lordship.
18/2/2020,
3, Lordship.
2023.
Lordship.
And the further investigation of the case in connection with Mokokchung PS case number, Mokokchung PS2 case number 0026/23 and the section 447/143/506 IPC. Mr. KV, you are there?
Lordship.
Mr. KV, the learned public prosecutor, appears for the state respondent. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. Have you received the copy of the petition?
Lordship. Yes.
Lordship. Yes, sir.
Okay. Copies of the petition has also been served to the learned public prosecutor. Insofar as respondent number 2 is concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with AD within a period of,
In the course of the day, Lordship.
in the course of the day. Listed after 4 weeks.
Lordship, I have an interim prayer, Lordship,
What is your interim?
to stay the
No, no,
criminal
no.
proceedings, Lordship. If I may be allowed to take the Lordship to
No,
some
no.
authorities, Lordship.
The interim prayer will be considered on the next. written-
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship.
Much obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 7 and 8.
My blessed Lordship,
Item. Yes, Mr. Sobon.
Yes, Lordship, here in the IE, Lordship, the respondents filed a counter affidavit, Your Lordship. So I'd like to file a reply to that.
In the IA,
Yes, Lordship.
they file an affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. So in reply to that, I would like to file an affidavit. So I may be granted 3 weeks' time, Your
In
Lordship.
IA,
Yes, Lordship.
in IA, okay. You're the counsel for the
Applicant petitioner, Your Lordship.
applicant, okay.
Lordship, this is the last chance because they have sought time for on the 2 occasions
Mr.
also.
Yangawati,
For this, for all responses.
the others may jump on you with that same submission. Mr. Subramodi, the learned counsel for the applicant, submits that he may be allowed 2 weeks' time
Yes, Lordship.
to file affidavit in reply to the to the
affidavit in opposition filed by the
affidavit in opposition filed by the
respondents in IA.
respondents in the present IA. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, kindly consider it be last chance.
Okay. Let us. What is the case? The learned counsel for the applicant shall make an endeavor to file the affidavit in reply on or before the next date listed, on or before the next date fixed. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship. Lordship, there is a similar matter pending in the division bench.
What is that matter in the division bench?
WBC 261 of.
And what is that matter about?
It's about challenging the service rules, Your Lordship.
Challenging the
Employment wing and training wing.
Employment and training.
this, Ms. Ayami, this is to do with that
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
employment and crafts
Yes.
and employment and all this.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. But that case which is pending before the honorable division bench will not have any implication.
Your Lordship, here the petitioners are challenging the.
They're challenging the rules.
No. In this writ petition, they're challenging the promotion of private respondent, whereas the service rule of this department is under challenge.
So whether the promotion will have any implication on the service rules? Yes, madam, you were handling this case.
Yes, Your Lordship. So when the service rule is under challenge, Your Lordship, let the matter may be kept pending, Your Lordship.
Okay, what is that case number?
261 of 2021.
WPC
261 of 2021.
261 of 2021. That is the case pending before the honorable division bench.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. List the case. After disposal of WPC 261/2021, which is pending before the honorable division bench, which is pending disposal. Okay, thank you.
Item number 10.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I may be allowed
This
to
item,
withdraw this
sure.
contempt petition.
Item 10. Okay.
Otherwise, Your Lordship, the contempt may be closed. Because, Your Lordship, I just produced the judgment, which is passed by Your Lordship, which Your Lordship has question set aside the learned single judge judgment and remanded back to the learned single judge. Yes. So based on this order, Lordship, the contempt may be closed.
This is a yes, please. Close it
Yes.
Lordship.
in view of this judgment.
Yes, Lordship.
But what is this contempt file for? What is
For non-compliance of the court order dated.
single bench?
Yes, single
Single
bench.
bench.
And in the meantime, the state has filed an appeal, Lordship.
Okay,
Yes,
and this appeal was disposed.
Yes,
by
yes,
this.
Lordship.
MS V. Sokri, the Learned Additional Advocate General submits that the present contempt petition has become infructuous in view of the order dated 24/5/2023 passed by the Honorable Division Bench. By which the judgment and order dated 18/11/2021 passed by the learned single bench in WPC 215K 2021 was quashing set aside. In the light of the submissions made above, the present contempt petition is accordingly closed. Mr. MS so-and-so appears for the petitioner and Mr. N. Angani appears for the respondent number
One.
one. Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 11.
Yes, Mr. Rainbow.
Yes, Lordship.
What is this?
This is relates to appointment of the respondent number 5 as village council.
Village council.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, I see the village council when I see your face.
Lordship.
So what is your IA?
One IA 126 is this is delay in, for condemnation of 8 days in filing there.
In filing this appeal,
This writ petition.
this writ petition,
Yes, Lordship.
The writ petition, Lordship, I think
whether limitation act is applicable?
Lordship, yes, it was
It's not applicable. The only thing is that you have to explain the delay.
Lordship.
If not the
as far as,
strictly.
as far as delay is concerned, Lordship, I have no objection. I'm for the respondent.
Okay, anyhow, we pass on.
And 127 is the stay of the appointment order of respondent number 5, Lordship.
Okay. Let's see your 126.
Lordship.
Where have you stated the grounds?
Lordship, in para number 5, Lordship, page 4. Lordship, the petitioner is reciting the remote.
Page number?
Page number 4, Lordship.
Where have you stated the grounds?
Para number 5, Lordship.
Right.
Lordship. Lordship, I may be allowed to read it.
No, and what are the other paragraphs?
Lordship,
Only this. Only this.
Lordship, the delay, yes, the ground was only that. Afterwards, the delay was not intentional, Lordship.
How many days delay?
8 days, Lordship.
8 days.
Lordship.
Mr. W.R. Muli.
Lordship.
W.R. Muli, the learned counsel for the applicant. Counsel for the applicant. This application has been filed under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963, seeking for condoning the delay of 8 days in filing the connected writ petition. Stop. The grounds explaining the delay has been recited in para 5 of the application. Any objection?
I'm representing your lordship 1 to
Yes.
4.
1,
1 to 4.
1 to 4. Stop, Mr. Moimchand, the learned counsel for the opposite party, number 1 to 4, and Mr. Yangarwati, the learned counsel for the respondent number 5, opposite party number 5. Has no objection to the application. Stop. In view of the submissions made by the parties and on perusal of the application, this court is inclined to condone the delay of this court is inclined to condone the delay of 8 days in filing the connected writ petition. The application stands disposed. Okay. So what is that, 27?
In the other application, Your Lordship, I may be allowed to file my objection.
Okay. State, any objection? You have objection?
No.
No.
I have to take instruction, Your Lordship.
Okay.
I have to take-
So allow them to take instructions.
Lordship.
Okay.
No.
That Mr. W.R. Muli. W.R. Muli, the learned counsel for the applicant, and Mr. Moimchan, the learned senior government advocate, for the respondent number 124. 124. Stop. Also heard Mr. Yangarwati, the learned counsel for the Mr. Yangarwati, the learned counsel for the respondent number 5. So both Mr. No. This application has been filed under Order 41, Rule 5 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, praying for staying the operation of the impugn appointment order dated 28/6/2023, appointing the respondent number 5 as
Village Council Chairman,
as the chairman of which village council?
Mekukla Village.
As the chairman of Mekuka Village Council. As the chairman of Mekuka Village Council. Mr. Moa Imchan, the learned senior government advocate, as well as Mr. Yamarwati, the learned counsel for the respondent number 5. 6 for 3 weeks' time to file objection to the application. Listed after 3 weeks.
That's all.
Obliged, sir.
Item number 12.
This is item. Yes, Mr. LP.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
As directed by this Honorable Court on 23rd January 2023 and 14th February 2023, by order dated, as stated above, the state respondents have carried out the re-verification. Accordingly,
Where is that? Have you filed affidavit?
yes, Your Lordship, we
Where
have
is
filed on 6 July 2023, Your Lordship.
6 July.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I've received the affidavit filed by the state respondent just today.
Okay.
So I may be given some time to go
Okay,
through and
okay. Anyhow, I'll give
seek
you time.
instruction.
Yes. Where is that affidavit? Let us see. What is that? Mr. Younger, what are you for?
I'm for the Union of India, respondent number 1. I have not received a copy of the affidavit.
Okay, filed by the state. Yes. You furnish my copy?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your affidavit is dated?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Dated?
6 July.
6 July.
Yes, yesterday, Your Lordship.
Oh, that means it is not there, huh? Is it?
Sorry, Your Lordship. I beg. June, Your Lordship.
6
I may be-
June.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yesterday.
6 June.
Right.
Huh?
Your Lordship may read
Yes,
the,
yes.
if I may be allowed to read,
Your affidavit is not there, and he wants some time to file reply to your affidavit.
yes, Your Lordship.
But your affidavit is not there on record.
We filed yesterday, Your Lordship.
Yesterday, I think
Yes, Your
yes,
Lordship.
that's still under process.
I may be allowed to seek instruction.
Yes, we will
To
allow
go
you
through.
time. We will allow
Lordship.
you time. We will allow.
I will serve the
Which
copy
is that
today.
order by which you were directed to file affidavit? Which is that order?
23rd January 2023 and 14th February
The
2023.
last order?
14th February 2023, Your Lordship.
Okay, for then. in February 2020. This verification was ordered by 21/23/1/2023.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Is it?
Lordship. Lordship, the effective order is 23/1/2023. Passed by
23.
my,
That is the first order.
First order.
yes, Lordship.
Second order is 14 February 2023, Your Lordship.
No, it is 21/11/2022. See that order, 21/11/2022.
Last order is on 20.
And what is your affidavit on the survey of the land?
Yes, Your Lordship. For compensation, if any. Damage compensation, Your Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so, Arka.
Yes, Lordship.
Arka.
Yes,
Your
Lordship.
good
K.
name?
Arka,
K. Arka.
K. Arka Achumi.
K. Arka Achumi. The learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. L.T. Sanktam, along with Mr. Vijmomi, for the state respondents. Also heard Mr. Yangarwati, learned counsel for the learned counsel, learned CGSC for the Union of India, and Mr. Moa, you're also here? Yes. And Mr. Moa, and Mr. Moa, Moa Jamil, the learned counsel for the respondent number? 2 and 3. In terms of the order dated 21/11/2023, passed by this court. It is submitted by Mr. L.T. Sanktam, the learned additional AG. That the verification of the land for assessing the compensation, if any payable to the petitioner, has been carried out, an affidavit filed to this effect. Stop. The affidavit filed by the state respondent is, however, not on record. Stop. Registry to trace the same and place on record. Stop.
Lordship, copy will be served to the CCC.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed 2 weeks' time to seek necessary instructions on the affidavit filed by the state respondents. Prayer is allowed. Listed after 3 weeks. The learned additional advocate general shall furnish the copy of the affidavit to the learned CGSC in the course of the day. Listed after 3 weeks. Okay?
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 13.
Item. Yes, Mr. Subhamwati.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Here I have received the affidavit of opposition filed by the state respondents, Your Lordship.
Okay.
And then after going through the affidavit, paragraph 4 and 6 of the affidavit, Your Lordship, I'm satisfied with that, so I pray that it may be disposed on that line, Your Lordship.
What is the stand of the state government?
They are saying that we are entitled for that particular list on be errors, Your Lordship. And then they are seeking for a certain period of time to be granted to the petitioners.
What is your petition?
Your Lordship, here after the introduction of the office memorandum 2015, that is for scheme for regulation of work charge.
Your petition appears very bulky.
Yes, Lordship.
You give a gist of your argument so that we can dispose upon that.
Your Lordship, yes.
Mr. Ma, what is your stand? Have you filed your affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
1 to 8.
Yes.
Such bulky petition, just this
No,
will
no,
do.
no, no, Lord, this is only annexures. Case is like this, very simple.
Very simple.
In the Department of NBWD, they have four departments. Now, only mechanical department has not been given the areas from January 2015 to February 2015.
Okay.
2 months. So the petitioner is coming, seeking for that only, for that area.
Then why don't
Area
you,
for
why-
2
from
months.
your end, why don't you pay them and let them withdraw the case? Finish. Because actually,
your Lordship is well aware about city of fund in the state. So
that's why
Lordship can dispose it.
Even if I dispose, if there is no fund. Even if I dispose, if there is no fund.
Lordship can dispose, but the direction can be issued, allowing me for 6 months time. So during 6 months time, I may be able to somehow.
The opponent makes to say that the petitioners are entitled to the list of, okay, but due to hard financial burden, the developer has not been able to pay the same. The other suggests in paragraph 5 and 6, paragraph 57 of the deponent is in the figures.
2 months error, your Lordship.
Where is that? Where is your case? That 2 month error?
Lordship,
the petitioners are what?
Lordship, they are the petitioners are
All
the
Nagaland PWD
Field Workers
Association.
Yes, consists of both work charge and
All Nagaland PWD Field Work Association, represented by General Secretary. All Nagaland Field Works Association, represented by Joint Secretary. Okay, and what is your prayer? Let us see.
Lordship, my prayer is at page 16. Page 16. Roman letter.
Grant the less don't pay salary.
Yes, Lordship. With effect from 1/1/2015 to 28/2/2015. Within a specific time frame. That is my only simple prayer, Your Lordship. But in Your Lordship, I have a simple submission, Your Lordship. I've been waiting since 2015, Your Lordship. It's been more than 8 years, Your Lordship. And then I submitted, Your Lordship, mechanical division, they've already paid during the year 17 to 18.
Okay.
And then roads and bridges.
Any representation you have submitted?
Yes, I have
Let us
submitted a
see.
legal notice, Your Lordship. At page 213. That will be the last annexure of my writ petition.
At
Your Lordship.
page
213. Annexure 3. That is my legal.
And all the petitioners, all the persons who are entitled to this error salary,
Yes,
they are the members of this All Nagaland PWD.
Yes, Lordship. They all are registered. They are the bona fide members of this association, Your Lordship, which is a registered society. And then, Your Lordship, one thing that even from the Treasury Office, they've already submitted, issued a non-revolt certificate stating that the source amount has not been withdrawn from the
That
Treasury.
is not there on record.
Your Lordship, it's in page 19, Your Lordship. I'll just show the Executive Engineer PWD Housing Division number 1, Kohima, page 19, Your Lordship. Well, it's been prepared, everything has been done, but then the only thing is they are not releasing the amount, Your Lordship, from the main head office, Your Lordship. Page.
Okay, you give your gist. You give your gist. Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
Your petition is very bulky, though your submission is very short. Then you want me to dispose this on the basis of this small affidavit filed by the state. So you give your gist. So, Mr. Moa,
Yes, my lord.
I will record your submission that you are actually you have made a submission for this to this court to dispose of the this petition on the basis of this.
Yes, yes.
You give a gist.
Yes, Lordship.
Let us list it tomorrow, after tomorrow.
Yes, Lordship.
List it again on
9.
9 is Friday. List it again on 9. 9/6/2020. You give me a small gist.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. That this is the this page number so and so. This is the this. Just give me the gist.
I will, Your Lordship.
Pleasure.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 14.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
A week's time may be granted to file affidavit in reply.
Affidavit in reply. You file your affidavit in opposition?
Lordship, we have
State also? TIP also? So affidavit in reply to which affidavit?
Not by the state.
State is
by-
pro forma respondent.
Okay,
Only
by
by
the,
respondent
By the
number
local.
what is your respondent number?
One. That is Nagaland Lokaयुcta.
1, huh?
Lordship.
MS. So and so, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that she may be allowed a week's time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 1. Prayer is allowed, listed after a week.
Obliged,
Okay.
Your Lordship.
Item number 15.
Yes, ma'am.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I may be given 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship, because I'm here to receive the RTI information that I have sought for, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the informations that I have sought for, these informations are required for proper adjudication of both the IA as well as the main writ petition, Your Lordship.
Miss Amy, no affidavit.
I've already filed my
You
affidavit.
filed your affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So what is this application for?
Your Lordship, for the present IA.
To make fresh appointments. Against future vacancy. Ms. So-and-so, 6 for 3 weeks' time. For producing certain relevant documents, for producing certain documents relevant to the case. Prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
For orders, item number 16.
Lordship,
Yeah.
I've been instructed to appear on behalf of the newly impleaded respondent number 6.
Respondent number 6.
Yes.
Okay, just wait, man. And who is for the other respondents? Mr. Yanangami for 1.
One, and I've been
And?
representing the other respondents also. Lordship.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Lordship, can you grant 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship?
Okay. Kasi,
Yes, ma'am.
any objection?
My lord, here I filed the present petition in the month of April 2020.
Yes, but when was the respondent number 6 impleted?
Yes, my lord.
Newly impleted, no?
Yes.
Recently?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we give time.
I filed last year
Ah,
and it's been more than 1 year.
Mr. Nangami, any affidavit from your side?
No, Your Lordship.
No. MS V. Sokri, the Leonard Additional Advocate General, appears for the newly impleted respondent number 6 and prays for 6 weeks time, 3 weeks time to, to receive necessary instructions. Prayer is allowed. Listed after 3 weeks. Okay?
Okay, much better.
Item number 17.
This is the last item.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, here I'm instructed to appear for the respondent for that is the NPSC
Respondent number
4.
4.
However,
NPSC.
yes, Lordship.
Just wait, let me see. Respondent number. Four. Okay. What about, ma'am?
Yes, I've already found my
You find your
Yes.
okay.
Lordship, I may be given 4 weeks time to seek
Okay.
instruction.
Okay. MS so-and-so appears on behalf of the respondent number 4 and submits that she may be given 3 weeks time to just receive necessary instructions. Prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks.
Mr. President.